How to fix TikTok copyright problems. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix TikTok message that says the copyright owner hasn't made this sound available in your country. So all you need to do is go to your TikTok. Now click on post icon. Click on upload and choose the video with the sound. And now all you need to do is click on sounds and choose any random music. For example, this one. And now all you need to do is click on volume and click on added sound and muted this one and edit this one. Click on done, click on next, and this is how you solve this problem. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe and like.